Goa Employment and Recruitment Union is yet again ready hit the streets as government has failed to fulfill its promise to regularize them. Rather, government has recruited security personnel from GHRDC replacing them. They held a protest outside GMC on Sunday. Swati Kerkar and Ajit Singh Rane has threatened to carry out protest all over the state against BJP government if government fails to give written assurance.
आणि ताका लागून फाल्यां तांकां जर परत आपयला जाल्यार आमच्या बरोबर व्यवस्थित सेटलमेंट जाल्याशिवाय तेंच्यांनी कोणाकूच एकाय नवीन भुरग्याक तेंच्यांनी हांगासर आमच्या जाग्यार हाडचो न्हय. नेक्स्ट स्टेप जे आसा की हे जे आमचे सोसायटीचे सगळे जे आमचे सिक्युरिटी गार्ड जे आसा पळय तांकां जंय ते आसा थंय तांकां कायम स्वरुपी करचे आनी ते समज जर करूंक ना जाल्यार नवीन आमचे कॉर्पोरेशन जे आसा त्या कॉर्पोरेशनाचे खंयचोच अधिकारी किंवा कॉर्पोरेशनाच्या अंतर्गत घेतलेलो खंयच्याच कामगाराकडे आमचे सहकार्य नसतले. आम्ही सरकारा बरोबर असहकार पुकारतले आणि सबंध गोयच्या जनतेक हे आंदोलन जे आसा चक्री आंदोलन म्हणून प्रत्येक तालुक्यान आम्ही व्हरतले आणि सरकारा विरुद्ध भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या विरोधात आम्ही मोठो जो आसा तो प्रक्षोभ जनप्रक्षोभ उबो करतले निर्माण करतले.
आज सोसायटीच्या भुरगे रस्त्यार पडल्या फाल्यां एका वर्सान तुम्ही ह्या ह्युमन रिसोर्साच्या भुरग्यांक भायर उडयतले आणि तुम्ही जे आश्वासन दिले ह्या भुरग्यांक त्याचे कितें जालें? ह्या भुरग्यांनी आता कितें करपाची ह्या सरकारान आता जाप दिवपाची वेळ येयल्ली आसा.
Earlier in December, security personnel had withdrawn their strike after government assured to consider their regularization demand by including them under vacancies declared by Goa Human Resource Development Corporation. Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
Physically challenged children from Sindhudurg had a great time at Kalangut Beach along the seashore, thanks to Anam Prem helpers for handicapped. Children under the guidance of an were seen right into the sea with their wheelchairs. Have a look.
These differently abled children and adults have come from Swapnanagari Sindhudurga to Goa. These people are on a mission to prove that disability has not defeated them. Program has been organized by Anam Prem of Goa in association with Helpers of the Handicapped. In this, we want to encourage this kind of tourism. I thank the guests for they have showered this love on us and they have given us this confidence. It is for us to back them, to cheer them and to support them. That will really make name of Goa great in India and world.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.